everyone, welcome to our mini kitchen. Have you heard about soups? Yes, definitely you have heard about soups. Variety of soups you have tasted also. We start soups with the food, and vegetable soups are common soups prepared by using vegetables, leafy vegetables as a primary ingredients. It related to the ancient history. Now I welcome Mrs. Manjuvani and Mrs. Reshma for our kitchen. Ma'am, will you start? Name the ingredients.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so the ingredients which we are going to use today are carrot, beans, cabbage, capsicum, corn flour, onion, then the other things, onion, then garlic, ginger, pepper, salt according to the taste, then coriander, then the corn flour. These are the ingredients we are going to use today.
Now can you start, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. First of all, we'll on the gas. We'll take first ghee or oil we can take. I am taking 2 spoons of ghee.
So homemade ghee is very good.
Yes. So I prefer ghee only because as it is good for health. Now garlic, 1 tablespoon of garlic.
Garlic
Now,
was also very good for heart.
yes, and 1 tablespoon of ginger.
Digestion.
Yes.
Ginger is for digestion.
Now we have to fry this till the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. Now next we'll add the onion. Onion, it is 1 small medium size onion, it is chopped very finely.
See, colorful vegetables are here.
Yeah, while we see only it looks somewhat attractive to us. Same thing, the onion also, just we have to fry for a while.
Nice aroma is coming, garlic and ginger.
Yeah. Now we will add 1 by 1 vegetables. So vegetables means it's not a fixed, you can take your own choice vegetables. I am taking here carrot.
Corn, no?
Yes,
Sweet
corn. Yeah, before that we'll add just beans and cabbage to it.
Okay.
Beans.
Very nice. Nice smell. Aroma is coming.
Cabbage also we will add it.
All chopped in same sizes.
Yeah. Later on sweet corn we will add.
Yes.
See, if you are having spring onion, you can use that also.
Optionable, no?
Yeah, optionable. It is optional. This capsicum we will add it later on because the capsicum is required, when we taste it we should get some sort of crunchiness.
Crunchy, yeah.
Yeah. I have added the capsicum also. Yes. Just let the raw smell of these vegetables, let it go. Just I will fry for a while. Yes, water we have to add. See, whenever we boil these vegetables in the vegetable soup, it should be half boiled. We should not boil it completely because while we taste it, we need a crunchy thing to eat, and also half boiled we have to do. Just I will fry it. Then later on we will add water. Now you can add 2 glasses of water. I am taking a small cup of this.
How many members you have, ma'am?
2 to 3 members they can add. See, it is based on the vegetables and all, you take how much quantity of water you require, you can use it. Yes. Now we will add salt according to your taste. Yeah. Then pepper. Pepper I am going to add around 1 teaspoon of pepper I am adding, because sometimes some peoples they need very spicy soups and all. So according to the taste, this also you can prefer. So mix it well.
So for thickening, what you are using, ma'am?
We are using corn flour. Corn flour powder is it? Just we have made a batter just.
Use nice texture.
Yeah. Yes. So now we'll keep a lid. Just let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. As soon as it boils, one boil will come. Then we will add this corn flour paste, that is batter. This is used because for the thickness of the soup. Sometimes some people they like the liquidy soup also. Some they need some sort of thickness. So this corn flour is used to maintain a thickness in the soup. So I have used here 2 tablespoons of corn flour and little bit of water. I made a proper batter for this. So there should not be any lumps in this batter.
You ready, ma'am?
Yes. Yeah.
Now you are going to add corn flour.
Yes.
In a slow.
So keep the gas in a low flame.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you are adding it, stir it.
Yeah. This you add according to the thickness, and we have to mix it well in a proper way.
Not very thick also, no, ma'am?
Yeah, you can see. You can see the thickness.
Yeah.
So now let it just
Now it's
boil.
ready?
Yeah,
Give a one
just 1 minute. Just let it boil it. Yes. Now we will off the flame. The soup is ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will
Now
garnish it.
soup is ready. So
Yes, we will garnish with
the
the coriander.
leaves. Yeah.
Or if you are having spring onion also you can
Yes,
use
ma'am.
it.
Yes.
So,
So 2 drops of lemon
yeah,
also.
lemon also.
Optionable.
Yeah, it is optional according to your taste.
Yes,
ma'am. Now the spicy hot soup is ready. Please serve it.
Thank you. Awesome. Bit less salt. If anybody wants, they can prepare it. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am, both of you, for coming and showing us a wonderful soup.